The CEO of Google attests to Shiba Inu burn. Prepare yourself to never work again. Hundreds of festival attendees filed into a Zen escape on Monday at SXSDAL, a virtual landscape featuring enchanting forests of bamboo and cherry trees swaying in the wind, and an unmistakable monument to the Japanese hunting dog breed Shiba Inu. This came just hours after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse threatened the future of most tech startups. It provided a break from the collapsing financial ecosystems and the first glimpse of the metaverse being constructed by the creators of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency. It was named the Wagmi Temple in reference to the cryptocurrency tagline, "We're all gonna make it." We'll discuss about Google's CEO confirming Shiba Inu burn in this video. Prepare yourself to never work again. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Decentralized cryptocurrency bank runs like the one from last Friday are unavoidable. With just his alias and an avatar of a hooded person wearing a long cloak, Satoshi Kazama, the enigmatic chief developer of Shiba Inu, communicates with Fast Firm via Google Meet. He turns off his video camera and enters into a chatbot without saying anything aloud. He's signing the fractional reserves of the bank. That 5% worldwide adoption figure rises as more individuals become aware of this and choose to diversify. At that point, some people ask, "What's this Shib thing?" And they discover just how amazing we are. Web3 advocates remain a specialized group of Twitter users, as some may already be aware, but among cryptocurrency nerds, Shib may have the most cult-like following. The token known as the Shib of Army was created 2.5 years ago as a joking notion to build a Dogecoin killer to overcome the rival meme-based token, Dogecoin. However, its devoted supporters couldn't have been more serious. With nothing more than a social media uprising, they managed to propel Shiba Inu into a top 10 cryptocurrency at one point with a $44 billion market valuation. Over the years, SHIBASWAP, a decentralized trade network, and a collection of 10,000 Shibashi NFTs, pixelated Shiba Inu figures with various accessories like a pirate helmet or a piece of pizza hanging from the dog's mouth, have been added to the cosmos. Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum, also gave Shiba Inu shoutouts. Next, a collaboration with the Canadian luggage company Bugatti. And what started out as sly trolling by the meme community has amassed 3.6 million followers on cryptocurrency Twitter. These users are among the loudest on the network, quickly jumping on breaking news stories and hurling hashtags like Hail Shib and Shib Army Strong, vowing to raise the Shib hashtag to new heights. It was the third most Googled cryptocurrency globally in 2023. With its Layer 2 blockchain, Shibarium, which went live in beta last week, and a new set of tokens in anticipation of its flagship metaverse, Shib the Metaverse, which will open with its first virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond, the company is now taking its biggest step yet. Shib wants to use it to transcend beyond being a meme coin. The strange folklore of Shiba Inus contributes to their appeal. The mystery surrounding its creator, Ryoshi, likewise surrounded him until he abruptly vanished from the internet last summer. Ironically, his cat-shaped Discord avatar vanished forever, but he left behind some evidence. Before Musk's comments drove the token surging, Ryoshi left behind a roadmap, which Satoshi joined when it had amassed 6,000 wallets. The token has been following this plan ever then. Shib's financial situation is likewise unknown. Satoshi claims that money from Shiboshi NFT sales is used for other purposes, and that purchases of metaverse land plots support metaverse development. The leash and bone tokenomics, and whether or not to retain a portion, are still up for debate among the team members. They refuse to say whether they keep a portion of the transaction fees collected by SHIBASWAP. They haven't secured venture funding. However, Shib takes tremendous pride in its community, a term that appears often in blog entries, tweets, and magazine interviews. Lead advisor for Shib Metaverse Marcy Jastro tells Fast Company that Shib Army input is being taken into consideration when they map out the metaverse. The group hired a company to build it using Unreal Engine software. However, the creative director is absent. They create concept art, initially create black and white drawings, post the drafts on a blog, and monitor social media for feedback before repeatedly editing, coloring, and rendering in 3 dimensions. The Wagmi Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is a pristine dream place with grazing deer and open-air yoga. And that community even reaches into other metaverses that are usually seen as competitors, such as Decentraland, The Sandbox, or Yuga Labs' other side. However, Jastro is certain that the pioneers need to come together for a realm as revolutionary and emerging as the metaverse. She compares it to the early days of virtual reality. Everyone's victory was what we desired. We only needed the headset to function. It may come out as too amiable, particularly during the hard times of the cryptocurrency winter when venture capital financing has dried up and survival seems more competitive than ever. Jastro is correct, however, because every metaverse fights to sell people on the idea of living in a Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. What works for one may work for others. Despite Mark Zuckerberg's fervent promotion of Horizon Worlds, AI has become the focus of Meta rather than the metaverse, which Zuckerberg risked the reputation of his firm on when its metaverse subsidiary purported a $13.3 billion loss in 2022. With just 8,000 daily active users, Decentraland is undoubtedly the leader in this field. As of late last year, Grayscale's Decentraland ETF was trading at a 60-cent discount to the dollar. A number of metaverse currencies have seen an 80% decline. Shiba Inu's market value is now $6 billion, with 589 trillion tokens in circulation and a price of $0.01. As previously suggested, if the token were to hunt for a value of $1 per token, this would imply an amazing implied valuation of $589 trillion, much above even the gross domestic product of the world. Shiba Inu's most recent advancements keep making news. Due to its high return potential, Shiba Inus have become more popular among investors. The community of Shiba Inu's owners and merchants is growing as the breed's demand rises. Any prudent investor would understand, of course, that achieving such a price would require significant supply decreases. However, given its present low price and great potential benefits, many cryptocurrency aficionados are drawn to the possibility of making money by investing in this unique cryptocurrency powered by millennials. At the time of writing, Shib, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme currency, has surged 15% to trade at $0 and 1,120 cents. The price of the Shiba Inu bounced back from a major declining trendline support earlier in March, suggesting the trend was set to shift northward. Prior to the trend line corresponding correction to $0.01, Shib had surged 96% to a new annual high of $0 and 1,576 cents in September. Even with the double-digit gain over the last day, investors need to ensure a few things before they can completely declare a new bull market for Shiba Inu. With a market value of $6.6 billion, the second most popular meme currency is now selling at $0 and 1,120 cents. Shiba Inu's trading volume surged by 30% to $321 million in the past day, suggesting that investors are piling in more money in anticipation of a significantly larger price shift in the next several days. Nevertheless, price movement below $0 and 1,126 cents is now limited by the 100-day exponential moving average. To maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, Shib has to break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the moving average convergence divergence point to a determined bullish front despite the current obstacle. Following Silicon Valley Bank's fall, which also caused the rest of the market to collapse, the MACD flashed a buy signal on the daily timeframe chart for Shiba Inu. On the 4-hour chart, the MACD maintains the buy signal, but this time it is holding above the mean line. Particularly during this week's rebound, buyers are keen to hang onto their profits in anticipation of the Federal Reserve's potential March 22 interest rate rise announcement. On the 4-hour chart, the price of Shiba Inu is above the 100-day EMA, which is at $0 and 1,110 cents. Recall that the daily chart's immediate barrier is the 100-day EMA. It might be confirmed that support is still in place and that the upward route offers the least amount of opposition by a daily closing above $0 and 1,110 cents. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.